No, don't you do that. That's not nice like this. Mommy's trying to show you so don't hurt yourself. That's awkward.
Mmm. Mmm.
Please tell me I wasn't in that video.
What?
Well, they're gonna think I'm not gonna eat with a fork. No?
So what's up? Anything new?
Here, Gage. Let's try this. I'm worried about the fork. Yeah, I know.
Ooh, nice.
Hmm? Hmm? I don't know. There.
Good boy.
Pick that up with your fingers. Here. Get that with your fingers. Yeah. Pick it up. Pick it up. Oh, okay. Little egg sandwich. Yay, good boy.
Here, give me your spoon. Good boy. Who's a good boy?
If it doesn't go on your spoon, stab it.
Like this. Scoop and eat. Good boy. You're gonna see this video when you're 30 years old. You're gonna laugh. No. Scoop and eat. Good boy. What happened? Good boy. Is it good?
Your mom cleans as she cooks, huh?
Yeah.
I love that. I remember before when I lived here, it seemed like all you did was dishes here.
Yeah. Okay. No. Scoop. Good boy. There you go. No. What are you doing? Ha 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 ha. Ha ha.
Oh, only toast or just pasta. This
Okay.
this I always put here because it's a lot, huh? You know? See, there's ways to communicate. You don't know. Showing salad now.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to the camera. Bye-bye.
Oh, I brought you a Coca-Cola because I didn't know if you had it.